Well, finally, we got some new updates from Convergence AI, which is the company behind Proxy AI agent. And right now, I would say that Proxy is the best AI agent. It is easy to use because you can set up an agent to run to do tasks on your behalf by just giving it a simple prompt, the same way you are prompting ChatGPT. And not to mention, it is also free. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is the new feature called Parallel Agent, how you can use it, and I'm going to share my thoughts about this new feature because I think there are a lot of things that I need to say about it. So first of all, in case you didn't know, if you are using an agent, it is going to be very slow. Like it is using a computer or it is visiting a website the same way you are visiting a website using your browser. So let's say you want to ask AI agent to find the latest video from MrBeast, for example. It would do that. It will first go to maybe Google or maybe youtube.com and then search for MrBeast and then click on the MrBeast channel, and then we'll see what is the latest video from the channel. It is literally the same way like human browsing the internet, except it is very slow because the technology is probably still not there yet, but it is getting better. And now with Parallel Agent, hopefully the task is going to be a lot quicker, especially if you have a prompt that requires multiple tasks to finish the whole thing. So for example, if you are asking AI to do a research about certain stock and then you want AI to generate a report on Google Docs, then there are two different tasks or different steps that AI needs to perform. Now, previously, there's going to be only one AI agent doing those two tasks. But right now, at least according to this video, you can see that it will create multiple agents and each agent will be assigned a different task. So that's quite interesting, and in theory it could reduce the speed or improve the speed by up to 50%. So let me show you a few examples. This is one AI parallel agent that's still running. You can see that the interface looks a bit different. There is orchestrator, which is the the default view, and then there is Proxy 1, which is the agent number 1. They call it Proxy. And there is a view for Proxy 2, which is agent number 2. And right now there is another agent called Proxy 3, but still running. Another example looks something like this. I asked I asked Proxy to find 5 latest videos from MrBeast, and then I want AI agent to put the links on a new Google Docs document. And you can see that there are 3 different agents running. There is Proxy 1, Proxy 2, and then Proxy 3. So how do you use it? Is there any setting that you need to enable first? Well, fortunately, there is no setting at all because AI will determine how many agents that will be required for completing the task. So let me show you the demonstration. I'm going to start a new session, and let's say I want AI agent to visit the channel of MrBeast and PewDiePie, and then I want AI agent to compare the number of views between the latest video from MrBeast and PewDiePie. So let me write the prompt. Go to MrBeast and PewDiePie channel. Find their latest video. Compare the views. Generate the report on Google Docs. Okay, that's the prompt. Basically, we can tell that there are multiple steps, and make sure to enable deep work because from my testing, the deep work will enable, or at least will enable parallel agent. Apparently, it's not available for free users. So if you're using the free version, you can only use the regular agent. So there's going to be one agent doing multiple tasks. But if you are curious, then let me show you. So I'm going to enable deep work and I'm going to send a message, and I just need to wait until Proxy is starting up and it will deploy multiple agents to do different steps or different tasks. All right. Now this process would take quite some time, and even though the idea was to make AI agents run faster or finish the job a lot faster, but I found that it is not a massive improvement. It is still an improvement, but it's not massive. So depending on the task, sometimes AI agents might do one task at a time. So there are multiple agents, but one agent needs to finish the task first before the second agent can do their own task. So it really depends on the kind of task that you are expecting AI agents to finish. But in this case, I think I can tell that one agent is visiting Mr. Beast and another agent is visiting PewDiePie. So yeah, I think in this case, parallel agents are useful, but keep in mind that sometimes there are certain tasks where one step requires the previous step. So in this case, it doesn't matter which step that starts first. What matters is these agents can visit the two YouTube channels. So it has finished visiting Mr. Beast, and it is still doing the job for PewDiePie. And I think this process would finish in the 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to just skip forward until they are finishing the job. Okay, it has finished the job, and I would say it's quite interesting because I said that it has to create a report on Google Docs, but it didn't do that. Instead, it is actually creating a new file on the agent number 3, and it is showing me a file which shows the report of the result. So it is comparing the number of views between Mr. Beast and PewDiePie, and this is the file. So I'm going to download it. It is .md, which means it is a markdown file. Let me open it using Google Chrome, and this is the result. Not exactly pretty, but if you are opening this document on something like Google Docs, it's going to look a lot better. But basically, it was able to generate a report. You can see that it is showing me that Mr. Beast's latest video got 82 million views, and then PewDiePie latest video got 770,000 views. So that's actually very useful information. And the best part is that it is visiting the channel, so it knows the latest information from these two channels. Now, just for fun, I actually compare it to Perplexity, and this is the answer. And you will see how AI agent is useful. So according to Perplexity, which is, I would say, the gold standard for internet research, according to Perplexity, Mr. Beast's most recent video got 73.2 million views. Actually not correct at the moment. I think it is getting data from, old data from many days ago. And about PewDiePie, unfortunately, the search result don't provide specific information about PewDiePie's most recent video. So the reason why Perplexity is unable to find the latest info is because Perplexity is reading content from the web, especially the web page that is indexed on search engines. So if the pages are not easily indexable on search engines within Perplexity, then Perplexity has no idea about the answer. And that's why in this case, AI agent is definitely winning. It will get the latest info, it is much more accurate, and it is actually faster than I thought. So I would say the parallel agent is definitely very useful. So go ahead and visit convergence.ai, and then you can use parallel agent if you are subscribing to the Pro subscription. But speaking about subscribing, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to make more videos about AI agent like Proxy and other AI tools in the future. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.